Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today with a Beebeecraft unboxing. A couple of weeks ago, Beebeecraft did contact me and asked me if I would be willing to be a collaborator with them, and I thought that would be super fun, and I agreed. I'm like, yes, 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 I will do this. So anyway, let me just tell you a little bit about the program that they have there. Anyone who has a YouTube channel and has 100 or more subscribers is eligible to apply. I will put a link in the description box below that if you do have 100 subscribers or more that you can click on, go to their website and just fill out the application form, and hopefully they will get back to you and saying, yeah, we want to collaborate with you. So anyway, they will give you a $40 spending allowance, and you go on to their shop and you put $40 worth of product in your shopping cart. You do not have to pay for anything, no products, no shipping. They take care of all of that for you. They do require that you make at least 3 videos for them. One needs to be an unboxing, and the other 2 need to be tutorials for projects that you're making with their products. So it's pretty easy, really. And whatever product you don't use in those projects that you make for them, you get to keep for free. So added bonus, yeah, fill up your stash with Beebeecraft products. I received my package in practically no time at all. They shipped it off on November, I think it was the 28th, and I received it by December 5th or 6th. I'm just a little bit behind in posting a video because I had some other things going on, but I did get a chance to look at the products, which we're going to see in a few minutes here. They look like they're great quality, every bit as good as the products that we get from the other normal places that we pick up our craft supplies from. They do have a couple of rules that you have to follow, which will be explained more if you get accepted into their program. They do send an email with that information in it. And your videos that you produce, they like you to post them on your social media accounts. So if you have Facebook or Instagram or anything like that, they do ask that you promote their website and their products on your social media. So anyway, I think that's about all I have to say, but I will have links in the description box below, not only to their program, but also to the products that I picked out. And I do want to mention that their shipping is excellent. So not only did they ship the products in this bubble mailer, but inside they have a double bubble mailer. So your products are going to be really, really secure inside the packaging. And each item that I got did come in its own Ziploc bag for, so nothing spills out and keeps everything nice and inside. So with that, let me get into some of the products here. So I'm just going to move these out of the way. And actually, maybe we'll just talk about these first. You squinch down the camera a little bit. So the first item that I got from Beebeecraft was this package of gorgeous beads. These beads are what they're calling their chunky beads, and you get 50 in a pack. They're 20 millimeter in size, so they're a really good size. Perfect for your pokey tools because they got a nice big hole on them. They come in the zipper bag here. They don't come in this box. I put them in here because I thought that would be a good way to show you. And look at all the different variety you get in here. We've got the crackle beads. We've got the, I don't know if you call these seed beads. You've got some matte colored beads. You've got shimmer beads. You got beads inside of beads. I mean, there's just all kinds. And this pack that I picked out has a variety of colors, and they look great together. So I can't wait to make something with those. The next item that I picked up are these little beads here, and they're calling these the silver gray mixed pearlized glass beads. You get 100 in a pack. Okay, and here they are. Really, really pretty. There's a silver gray, there's like a lilac in here, and a pretty blue. These are 8 millimeters, so great size for those as well. Perfect for your dangles. Making bracelets and necklaces. They look like real pearls. Just really, really pretty. So that's that. And then I picked up one set of dies, and this is a GLOBLELAND die, and it is called the Present Box die. And I actually have already put this together, and I've used it twice already. And I shipped off the projects that I made with it to some of my friends in some happy mail. I am going to do a project video for this in the next week or two, so you'll get to see what that looks like put together, but it is really, really pretty. And let me just take the pieces out and show you what you get. Here are the pieces that came with this die set. You've got your top piece and your bottom and your side pieces here. Okay, and you'll notice that all the pieces have that great stitching embossed detail on them. Then it comes with a little label. That's cute. It comes with some little leaves, flower centers. You've got some flowers here. Here's some more little flowers, or you could use these as centers. More leaves. And then you get this really pretty edge die. And in the picture on their website, they're using this to decorate around the outside of the box. But I think this would be great as a side piece on a card or a decoration on a mini album or something. So that is the GLOBLELAND Present Box die set. And like I said, I've made this a couple times already. It's a great die set. It works out perfect. And the last item I got was a gigantic pack of faux leather. And I'm just going to squinch the camera down a little bit more again. I'm going a little bit crazy with the faux leather these days. I have picked up a number of sets of leather from a variety of different places, and I'm having a ball making things with this. And I have something in mind to use this leather that's going to be in another coming video, and it is not an original idea to me. I will try to, if I can find the video link from the idea that I got, I will post that in the description box when I do the video using the leather. But I am going to modify the original design a little bit to try to make it my own. So let me go through this really quickly. The size of these leather sheets are 7 3/4 by 6, or they're maybe 7 or 8 by 6. This one might be a little short. But you get a real variety and lots of different colors. So I'm going to go through these really quick. We got pink. Got some glitter on there. So I'm just going to flip through these really quick so you can get an idea. There's all kinds of colors. There's all kinds of textures. Something for every project. Look at this pretty gold. We've got silver. Then we've got some holographic, and you know I've been using the holographic on my bow dies. Okay. Sorry if I'm going through this too fast, but I'm trying to cut this video down a little bit. Gold and purple, and then look at this. This looks like diamonds. Isn't that gorgeous? Really, really pretty colors. I love the variety. Very pretty. This is gorgeous. Look at this one up close. Love it. And now we have glitter. I'll show you that one up close. Really pretty. Champagne, gold, silver, really pretty royal blue, another red. This black is pretty. It looks like nighttime sky. Okay. Green, and then we've got some patterns here. So this one's got some reindeer on it, and here we've got some Christmas symbols. Really cute little Santa Claus one. Here's another Santa one in green. We've got some mermaid scales in a couple of different colors. This is really pretty. This one's really pretty, great for your summer projects. I love this green and teal, really pretty. And then we've got some rainbow. So those are the products that I got from Beebeecraft as part of the collaboration that I am doing with them. And I have a couple projects already in mind that I can't wait to share with you guys in the coming weeks. And by the way, I didn't give the prices on this, so let me just go over that really quick. The faux leather, and you do get 40 sheets of the faux leather, is $23.49. So that was a big buy for me, but this is a lot, and I will have this for a long time. The GLOBLELAND die was $8.89, and these are all the full prices, but you can catch sales all the time on their website. The chunky beads over here in this box, 50 for $7.49, excellent deal. And the gray silver mixed pearlized glass beads were $2.93 for 100 beads. I think those are some pretty good prices. Their shipping is great. Their packaging is great. The products are in great condition, and so far I've been really pleased with them. So I want to remind you that I do have a 10% off discount code. That's Enis10, and that coupon is good until November 29 of 2025. So anyway, I hope you liked seeing these products. I'd encourage you to get onto the Beebeecraft website and do a little bit of shopping. I hope you find some things that you like. If you're interested in any of the things that I'm featuring here, I do have the links in the description box below, as well as the link to their cooperator program, and also I will have my coupon code down there as well for handy access. So I'd appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Come back and see me when I have my projects coming up, and I just really appreciate all of you sticking with me and subscribing to my channel, following me and supporting me, and yeah, I'm just really, really grateful, and I will catch you on the next crafty video. Bye, Crafty Peeps.